There's a non-linear reality that we must absolutely embrace. When you are rigid and stuck in a linear process, you are perhaps not opening up enough, thinking creatively and innovatively enough, and you will have blind spots. There'll be things that you could miss. And that's why we're going to talk about identifying gaps and the overlapping nature. The overlapping nature. So let's look first at the. Oh, that's a massive post-it. Okay, let's look first at what do you think you are communicating? So, how is your brand actually perceived? Now, my friend.